Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my super easy and delicious chile colorado con nopales. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in that description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pot, we're going to begin by adding our 2 New Mexico guajillo chile pods, 1 chile ancho, and 1 Roma tomato. We're going to cover it with water. Set it on high heat and bring it to a boil. And transfer them all to our blender cup. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and salt. We're going to be blending with 2 cups of water. And now just blend until smooth. Okay, and once we have our red sauce, we can take it back to our stove. To our skillet over high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add half an onion. And we're going to saute it for a couple minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add 1 pound and a half of nopalitos. They're already nice and clean and cut into small strips. Going to mix it. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. And I just allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to remove our nopales and onion from the heat. Okay, now we're going to add our 2 pounds of beef steak. Make sure that it is in a single layer. And I'm just going to be seasoning with salt and black pepper. Now we're just going to allow it to brown. Okay, after 5 minutes, our meat should have browned. So now we're going to return our nopalitos and onions. Make sure not to add any of the water from the nopales. Mix it together. We're going to allow them to cook together for 2 more minutes before adding the sauce. Okay, and after 2 minutes, we're going to add our chile colorado sauce. Make sure to strain if you need to. I'm going to be adding a little bit more water to my blender cup. Now just mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're just going to cover it. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, and after 15 minutes, our delicious chile colorado con nopalitos is done. So now we can turn it off and get ready to serve. Alright guys, now we can get ready to enjoy. Now of course I'm serving it with some frijoles de la olla and some Mexican rice y unas tortillas de harina. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is my favorite way to enjoy my nopalitos. This meal is seriously super easy, so delicious, and best yet, it doesn't take that long to make it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The meat is nice and tender. The chile colorado, it's a little spicy, but that will depend on what type of chiles you use. But this right here, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I made my super easy and delicious chile colorado con nopales. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.